that. Look at that big old edge right there. Nothing over here. Seems like they're trying to hide something over here. So let's see. A lot of our birds are in the woods right now. These guys like under behind this because they're protected. They like to eat off of all the little sprouts off of this peach tree too. This is the mean one. He's mean. We're gonna get away from him because he got bad attitude. My Banty's over there doing her thing. Banty, Banty, they ain't scared of nothing. Worry about the little mitts up. Come on, guys. Morans are in the woods. Eating. Freely eating. These are not out in the open, I guess. Uh-oh, we got some conflict of interest. Who's got problems? The Polar? Is he messing with my Reba? Reba, you okay, Reba? I love you, girl. You know your daddy loves you. I fed you back to health. What's up, players? These are our day of these freedom fighters, and they ain't even sucking up the sun. What's up, guys? It's too hot? 45 degrees is too hot for y'all? Come here. Lazy birds. What you got to say, yo speckle meanie? What's up, Clyde? You keeping everybody in point? Keep up. You gotta look up. You gotta look up. That's where the predators are. You see these guys? They're always looking up. There will always be one or two hard. Why the West eat? Why the West eat? Why the West eat? Sound like some of the Chinese dictator would say. Why the West eat? Alright, today I gotta pick up all of this trash. We just ain't had a day to clean up. I mean, it's just constant. Insanery without the ainery. What the heck is that? Are you alright, Silky? Are you laying on that golf ball? Don't tell me you're on that golf ball. Yeah, you on that golf ball, huh? Yeah. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. This is a Pollock mixed with the Silkies. It's a Pollock silk. Silky pole. Silky lock. It's a silky lock. Man, what are y'all doing to our damn skies? God dang it, man. I thought it dissipates in like 30 seconds, huh? Nah, it blends into the other air, it dissipates and then falls on all of our trees, on all of our stuff. Alright, I'll be here. Chicken life, baby. Chicken life. If you would like to see me remove a 3-inch talent live on TV, leave me a comment and I will remove these Freddy Krueger claws off of this straight killer. Let me know now. I need a like and a comment, and I will do it just for you. Whoever you are. Eventually, someone will. Haven's Homestead, where an egg can be a chicken. See, people don't understand, man. People are starving out there with a belly full of junk. That's why we got such an obesity problem, is because people keep eating because their body needs certain nutrients. It tells you you crave certain things to refill those vitamins, and then you eat those things and they don't have none of that stuff in it. So then you keep eating and you keep eating and you never get what you need. That's why growing your own food is the only way to stay healthy. Did you know certain vegetables lose 80% of their nutritional value within 10 minutes of cutting? That's insanery. Keep that in mind when you're ordering food from a different country. God bless y'all, and remember, through God, all things are possible. Rah!